Okay guys, so this is a quick video. This really has a hole on it, so and some other hole in other places. After I had the flat tire, I had to use the scooter for some time to get home, so it really damaged all of this chamber. Don't know the exact name. So this chamber, it's damaged. I don't think it will be able to be repaired. Regarding the tire, I washed the tire as well as I could to inspect it. I don't see anything, any hole. I don't see if any problem with the tire. So I still not. I did not decide if I will use this tire again or if I use a new one. To remove to access the tire and the chamber, you will need long Allen keys. There are some shorter Allen keys. You will not be able to access the screw, so you will need long Allen keys. You also will need a 21mm tool like this one or something similar, but it's 21mm. And now, when I bought my scooter, I knew it was a matter of time until I had some kind of flat tire or that I would need replacement. So I bought the scooter, and little time after I bought a tire and a chamber. So I will assemble this and will come back to you with the new video. So this is a 225 by 80, but this you can see easily on your own scooter. This chamber, what it says here, it's 10 by 2.5. And the original one, let's see, yes, same thing, 10 by 2.5. This is the size. This is the original one. This piece must be angled, like with it's 90 degrees. Otherwise, you will not be able to assemble it. So this is the one I bought, also so 90 degrees, and the reference, the size, it's 10 by 2.50. So I hope this is helpful to you.